Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
It's been a long time in the coming, but we're about to take the beast into the workshop. I've had young Cody, I'm trying to pan around, I'm not doing really well. Cody's been helping me clear a space in the garage. Most of you know, but if you don't, I used to have a workshop garage, and there you go, tin mines in the distance there. But due to my disability, I can't do that anymore. So it's become a dumping ground, and we've cleared a space so that we can finally let the van in and I can start work. So just to recap, yeah, it's a transit. It's got these awful, basically holes cut in the doors with just plastic screwed over the top. It isn't sealed, it's crap. And then you walk around. Yeah, old transit. And then we've got two more of the windows on this side. Door handle's broken, I bought a new one, so that's going on. And I've just realised I forgot to bring the keys out.
Should I go get them?
Hey, Cody, you go and get my keys. And then we've got my recovery truck here now. Dog yapping at me at the moment. That's not one of ours, that's the neighbour's. We'll see you in a minute. See you later, bye. Goodbye. Here we go, guys. We haven't used this for, how long? 2-3 months now, due to personal problems. So let's see if she'll go. Are we ready? It runs. No warning lights, but the speedo seems to have packed up. There we go. Right. So we'll head down to the workshop and try and get it in.
Whoa, it's Granny! Granny! You're in the way!
Guys, here we are. Right, we've actually got it in the workshop. We're starting work. I've got to try and get in. Hang on, I've done the step. Oh.
Where's Troy?
Oh, I don't know. Troy's run away.
Troy boy!
He's in the front.
Yeah.
Troy's in the front. He's made himself comfortable.
Cheers!
Johnny's drinking beer as usual.
So
I never drink beer, and as usual, Cody, the teenager, is lying on the bed.
doing nothing as usual.
Yeah, doing nothing.
Oh.
Right, so we've changed our plans. Oh my God, that was scary. Right, so the bed is going to be. Oh shit! There's a light there. Excuse my French. There's going to be a bed there. We're then going to come round here, if the camera will pan. We're going to have a bench seat there, and a bench seat. And here, that seat's going, and then we're going to have a bench seat that side, and then over here where Cody's messing about like a twit.
Typical teenager.
Don't try and build a van conversion when you've got a teenager, because they are nuts. Right, and then we're going to have a kitchen sort of along that side.
What?
Rosie.
Oh, yeah, and as you can see,
Oh, Rosie.
Rosie hates the camper van. She's loving it. I would show you Troy, but
He's in the front.
he's actually already found the front seats and he's quite comfy.
We're going to have a L-shaped kitchen
So
a
it's
bit.
been an L-shaped kitchen around here. Oh, sorry for Cody's bum. She's got her joggers on and she keeps pulling moonies at everybody.
As normal, we're going to have cupboards at the top and
We will
everything.
have cupboards at the top, and then the garage will be sort of halfway across, and then underneath there will be a whole
gonna be lower.
one side. The bed's coming down a bit. Yes, I've got about that bit.
Yeah, I know.
The bed's coming down a bit. Oh my God, she just filled the camera with a ball.
I know.
Right, yeah, one side there we're going to have the
All the electric stuff and
the
whatever.
compressor fridge, freezer box, whatever you want to call it, which will slide out. And then the other side, we're going to have our toilet that will slide in and out, with a little hole in the middle there that I am quite sure what we're going to do yet. Probably have the table in that, maybe.
Yeah. To come out here where we got the chairs so we can sit and
table
eat.
to come out, because the idea is then we can use these bench seats for eating, because
Relaxing,
my back
working.
and Jenny's legs, the fixed bed is a must, because we do have to take time out and sit down and lie down. So that's the way around it, I think. What it does mean is that the grandkids can't come with us
Yay!
unless they sleep in a tent outside. And I'm not sure if she likes that idea. Hang on, let's see if I can zoom in on your face. Oh my God. I don't think she's over pleased with that one, but hey, tough monkeys. But yeah, so yeah, that's the plan.
We're trying to get away from the grandchildren.
Yeah, we tried to sell them on eBay, but you have to give a refund policy
I am
now.
not sleeping in a tent.
Where are you going to sleep then? Under the stars?
In your bed, and you sleep outside.
You can kiss my hairy butt.
Granny sleeps outside.
No,
Yeah.
No, it's not
this
that.
is our van.
What do they
Yeah.
think? Let them think. You
Yeah.
sleep outside.
Yeah, come on, guys, put it in the comments. Do you think that we should sleep
Granny!
outside, or do you think we should put Cody outside
With Charlie
with Charlie?
and Archie.
No, Archie can come inside. He's not. He's nice.
He's only little.
He likes me.
I like you.
Yeah, but we don't like you. You asked for that.
Right, we're clocking off now.
We're clocking off
Guys,
now
let's
because
tell Granny to stay up.
Granny's already had a few beers.
One.
Yeah,
Actually, you had like 2 at the house.
One.
So did Grumpy.
And
Oh, he's
yeah,
had them.
so
I have only one.
we're going to go back now, and I'm going to try and work out how to use Sketch It to see
the
if we can actually
computer?
draw it up.
Guys, tell Granny she has to sleep outside.
No, Cody.
Or in the comments if you think Granny or
Cody.
Cody
Cody.
should be outside. I think I know what the answer's going to be.
Granny.
Actually, knowing our subscribers, probably send you out.
Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me.
Anyway, we're signing off now, guys. So, yeah, from all of us, I'm going to try and turn the camera around. Boo.
Wrong way.
It's coming. It's coming. All right.
Bye.
Bye. See you all later.
Nuts
Bye.
on the road.
Look after your nuts.
Look after your nuts. Go on, you say.